In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag and organize contacts in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your Mailchimp account and in the left panel, click on Audience. Then next from this page, scroll down to see everyone on your email list. Then next is tick the box beside the contacts you would like to organize and click on Tag Contacts. Now start choosing or creating a new tag like customers, leads, or event attendees. To create a new tag, simply type on this text box like customer, then press create and make sure that you tick the box beside the tag you would like to add for this specific contacts. And for the action, make sure that add tags is selected and click on the apply button. Tags help you quickly group people based on their interests or actions. Once contacts are tagged, you can filter your audience, create segments, or send targeted emails to specific groups. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!